Let's take a minute to consider three very important questions as you leverage technology for your professional development. What skills and knowledge is essential for your choice in career? How can the technology help you acquire those skills and knowledge? You need to identify the competencies and skills that are necessary for success for you. What are the opportunities for networking and mentorship utilizing technology? Technology presents the opportunity to build relationships with people from around the world in targeted areas to help support your pathway and growth as a professional. Building these relationships, specifically over time, is going to provide tremendous value and support you all along the way. So how can leveraging technology with professional development impact career pathways? Leveraging technology for professional development impacts career pathways tremendously. You're going to be accessing a wealth of information related to the topic you're learning about. This is going to open up doors for you. It's going to get you thinking about where to start. What's your next option? What are the pathways for those following along with the same vision as you? It's going to help you make informed decisions. Online courses are going to open you up to a wide variety of available learning methods and content. You're going to be able to look at a lot of different areas of interest and identify the ones that work the best for you. There are also virtual mentorship programs, webinars, and industry-led forums to help you support your learning. You're going to be able to connect with professionals in your field, access valuable insights, and learning all along.
As you begin developing your vision for your career, guiding you towards a successful career in tech to improve in those areas. What successful projects have I worked on? Where do I lack knowledge or experience? Developing a strategic plan for your career is essential. Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Downs, a professor with extensive knowledge in technology and education. I'm here to help you on this journey. Welcome to SWOT Planning for Career Success, guiding you towards a successful career in tech. Let's dive in. Let's get ready to look at some impactful data. 87% of employers believe that candidates with digital skills are more likely to be hired. This shows the incredible desire to have technology proficiency in the job market. And don't forget that 50% of employees by 2025 will need to be upskilled. This is due to technological advancements and continues to underscore the demand for career planning in the area of technology. 70% of all professionals who use strategic planning tools like SWOT analysis feel more confident and prepared in their career decisions. This highlights the importance of SWOT in career planning and analysis. This data helps to continue to understand the demand for upskilling your own personal digital skills and career development skills. All of this data helps support the need for you to continuously develop and refine your digital skills. This powerful tool can help you map out your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats by setting specific goals to improve in those areas. We're going to actively seek areas of growth. This can be with new technologies and industry trends and help position you to help capitalize on your learning about them. And you're going to learn how to anticipate threats and help develop strategies to mitigate them. And by regularly updating your SWOT analysis, you're going to be able to stay proactive, adapt to changes, and continuously align your career path with your personal and professional goals. Now let's do a real demonstration of how to do a SWOT analysis. We're going to make a table with 4 quadrants: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We're going to fill out these quadrants based on our own self-assessment, utilizing questions. And before we do this, don't forget to visit digitalfutures.com for more resources, coaching on not only strategic career planning, but also acquiring the skills themselves. Now let's dive into some of these questions to help guide our career development and provide some examples. This example is based on an IT professional or programmer and is just a demonstration to help you begin your own process. In terms of strengths, what programming languages am I strong in? Which ones do I know? What successful projects have I worked on? Now let's think about a question for our weaknesses. Where do I lack knowledge or experience? How can I improve my technical skills? Opportunities. Are there new technologies I should learn? What types of networking opportunities should I pursue? threats. What are the current market trends in IT? Are there new tools that could make my skill set obsolete? While we're going through a SWOT analysis, it's also important to consider what soft skills could be considered as part of your self-evaluation within a SWOT analysis. Just as with soft skills, digital skills are also something specific to consider listing within a SWOT analysis. Let's start with the soft skills. A SWOT analysis could help you identify skills like adaptability, problem solving, and communication. By identifying adaptability as a strength, you can leverage your ability to quickly apply and learn new technology. This can help make you much more versatile. If problem solving is a weakness, you can set specific goals to help you improve your critical thinking and help you find innovative solutions. Opportunities might include new training programs to help you learn new skills or projects that help enhance your problem solving ability. Recognizing your communication skills as a threat, you may need to learn how to work on conveying your ideas more effectively and work on collaborating well with others. This might include you requesting feedback on your collaboration with others and reviewing your interpersonal skills. By addressing these areas in your SWOT analysis, you can strategically enhance your soft skills and better prepare for career advancement. Just as for soft skills, you can do the same review with digital skills. For example, in web development, if your strengths are in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, that strength is going to position you well for success in that career area. But if you recognize digital marketing as a weakness of yours, you may realize that there's a gap in your ability to do search engine optimization, targeted advertising, SEM. And the opposite, if you recognize digital marketing as a weakness, you may want to seek further training in social media, digital marketing to help you bridge those gaps. Opportunities may include emerging trends or technologies in project management software, such as Jira, Trello, Asana, which can help leverage your efficiency and your collaboration skills. Threats could include staying up to date with the newest technologies and trends, or facing competition from peers who have more advanced digital skills. By addressing each area of your SWOT analysis, you can create a strategic plan to improve your digital efficiency and your ability to adapt to the constantly changing technology landscape. At Digital Futures Education, we're committed to supporting your journey into the digital workforce. Visit digitalfutureseducation.com for resources, courses, coaching, and opportunity to help connect. To make your career planning more effective, it's important to set SMART goals. These are smart, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-based goals. Here's an example of applying a SMART goal to your career. Gain proficiency in data analysis by finishing an online certification course within 6 months and applying these skills in a real-world project. The benefits of using a SWOT analysis in conjunction with a SMART goal is that it helps you make informed decisions around the development of your SMART goal by providing your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Help you align your goals in a way that they're going to be actionable and they can be aligned with market demands. It helps provide a clear framework for your personal and professional growth. Think about how you can use the SWOT framework in conjunction with a SMART goal to help you continuously improve. Regularly update your analysis of your SWOT analysis and try to develop new SMART goals. This will help keep you adaptable and open to training for new trends that are going to come along all the time. Now let's explore career pathways and how a SWOT analysis can help support the development of a career pathway. How can the insights from a SWOT analysis help guide your decision around selecting a career? If you identify a strength in problem solving and have the opportunity in data science, that might be a career pathway for you. So let me outline a few steps for you. First, complete your SWOT analysis. Write down the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, just as we've discussed. Now set a SMART goal. Use the insights you've gained from your analysis and set an achievable goal. Then you want to take action, enroll in a course, gain a certification, or even build a portfolio. Be sure to also regularly review and reevaluate your progress. That will help you stay on track. Remember, your SWOT analysis is a living document. It's going to help you stay on track, set new goals as you're needed, and help you review what you know and don't know about your next step. So what are you waiting for? Start your SWOT analysis and take control of your career through using this powerful planning tool. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources, and check out our website for in-depth courses and tutorials. Whether you're a student, a career changer, or aiming to upskill, there are numerous resources available. Online courses, workshops, webinars, professional networking opportunities, and flexible learning opportunities, such as online courses that meet when you need them to meet. Engaging in professional networking opportunities and projects can help you tremendously at gaining industry insights and hands-on experience. You can always find a way to get started at digitalfutureseducation.com. As industries evolve in the digital age, developing a strategic plan for your career is essential. Embracing this digital transformation is also essential. You need to do your own self-evaluation and analysis to help you unlock your complete career potential. There are many ways to connect and develop your skills utilizing technology. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Data scientist, digital project manager, UI experience design, cybersecurity management are considered essential in virtually all professional settings. Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Downs, a professor with extensive knowledge in technology education. Let's get started with exploring essential digital skills for modern careers. Are you ready to equip yourself with fundamental and advanced digital skills to help support your career? These digital skills are going to help advance your career and propel you forward in the modern age. Join us as we discover the essential tools, platforms, and skills that are essential in the modern roles today. Let's dive in. Let's begin with some eye-opening data, which underscores the importance of digital skills in the modern workforce today. Digital literacy, basic digital skills such as email communication and using online collaboration tools are considered essential in virtually all professional settings. They form the foundation of an efficient workplace communication and proficiency. Advanced skills. Proficiency in advanced skills like coding, data analysis, cybersecurity basics, and digital marketing is increasingly in demand across all industries. These skills not only enhance your job performance, but also can help open doors to more specialized roles with increased pay. Soft skills. Effective communication, problem solving, and teamwork are crucial soft skills that complement your digital proficiency and are highly valued by employers who are seeking well-rounded professionals. So stick around as we delve deeper into these skills, resources, and tools you need to enhance your career. Visit digitalfutureseducation.com for more resources, courses, communities, and coaching to help support you on your way. Learn more about our mission to empower individuals with essential digital skills and career empowerment. In today's interconnected world, basic digital literacy is a cornerstone of our communication. Also, our collaboration in any workplace. Mastery of email etiquette, online communication tools, and collaborative platforms ensures seamless interaction with coworkers and productivity amongst your team. Let's talk about advanced digital skills that can definitely impact the trajectory of your career. Advanced digital skills such as coding, data analysis, cybersecurity skills, and digital marketing are indispensable in today's digital economy. The first skill is advanced data analytics. Beyond basic data analysis, your ability to be proficient with tools such as Tableau or Power BI allows you to analyze complex data sets, perform predictive analytics, and help drive strategic decision-making within your organization. The second skill is digital marketing strategy. Expertise in search engine optimization, also called SEO, content marketing, and social media analytics helps enable you to create targeted marketing plans using digital platforms, campaigns with optimized digital content, and enhanced brand visibility across the web. The third skill is cybersecurity management. This includes mastery history of cybersecurity management tools and resources to help keep the organization safe from cyber threats. It helps safeguard organizational data, and this assists in mitigating threats and helps ensure compliance across industry regulations. Cybersecurity management is an incredibly growing, in-demand field with a wide variety of entry points. Be sure to visit digitalfutureseducation.com for courses, resources, and coaching communities to help you learn more about your future in cybersecurity and how you can get started. It will help you improve on all of these essential digital skills needed in the modern workplace. Now let's talk about soft skills for career success. Effective use of soft skills enhances your professional effectiveness across all areas of work and will help you advance and grow in your career. The first skill, effective communication, helps foster collaboration and ensures success in projects across diverse teams and variety of work. Let's talk about problem solving. Analytical thinking and problem solving is an incredibly beneficial skill to your organization, and the fact that you are working on developing that soft skill is going to help you tremendously have new opportunities. It's going to help you tackle more complex challenges, help drive new innovation across working roles. The final soft skill, teamwork and collaboration. Collaborative working skills with a team are essential to success in the modern workforce. Digital skills help enhance these collaborative tools, but you need to know how to work collaboratively with your soft skills to be a successful team player within your organization. It's going to help your teams be stronger, foster stronger collaboration, and ultimately produce results for your organization. It's going to really improve the workplace culture and help meet goals faster, more clearly, and effectively. Let's talk about some of the valuable career pathways, about how these digital skills are connected to specific, clear pathways for new types of jobs within the modern workforce. These skills are essential and going to help drive you to success, and let's explore some of the roles available. The first position I want to talk about is data scientist. The education and entry-level requirements for a data scientist is a bachelor's degree in computer science, statistics, or another related field. Key certifications for a data scientist can include the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. So consider the Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate. Some of the essential skills for a data scientist include Python, R programming, understanding machine learning algorithms, and data. Some pathways to enter the data scientist career include research institutions and companies who are looking for data scientists to analyze and interpret data collected and find the best ways to analyze this data and make it effective for organizations. And the starting salary is between $95,000 and $120,000 annually. The next position I'd like to talk about is the UX UI experience design. For an education requirement, it's generally from the design or a related field. Key certifications can include the Adobe Certified Expert, the Google UX Design Professional Certificate. Essential skills for a UX UI designer, which is a user experience user interface designer for digital interfaces, is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the understanding of user-centric design principles, particularly as they relate to technology. Potential career pathways into this field of the UX UI designer include independent projects, working for design agencies, tech startups, and the starting salary is between $65,000 and $85,000 annually. The third position is business analyst. This position generally has a bachelor's degree as an entry point in finance, marketing, or other business degrees. Some key professional certifications for a business analyst can include the Certified Business Analyst Professional, the Agile Certified Practitioner. Essential skills for this role include analyze data and gathering requirements. And potential entry points into this career include business analysis roles within an organization, consulting firms, corporate strategy teams. This position has a starting salary of $70,000 to $90,000 annually. The next position I'd like to talk about is digital project manager. The education requirements for a digital project manager generally involve a business degree. That degree can be in project management or a related field. Some key certifications for a digital project manager: project management professional PMP certification and Scrum Master. Essential skills for this role include project planning, agile methodology, and stakeholder management. The pathway into this career includes a variety of roles around managing projects within business organizations, tech startups, or any organization that is trying to have a project managed using digital assets or resources. This can include IT departments and software development companies. A starting salary for this role is between $80,000 and $100,000 annually. At Digital Futures Education, we're committed to supporting your journey into the digital workforce. Visit digitalfutureseducation.com for more resources, courses, career coaching, and supports to help you get the skills you need to move forward. Goal setting with SMART goals. Setting clear and actionable goals is crucial for career development. One effective method for setting goals is the SMART goal model. This stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. Let's discuss improving digital literacy and your soft skills with a SMART goal. First of all, be specific. For example, I want to improve my digital literacy and soft skills. Measurable. Ensure your goal can be tracked. For instance, I will complete 2 online courses on email etiquette and digital collaboration tools. Achievable. Set realistic goals. Consider your current skills and resources. For example, I will dedicate 3 hours a week to learning these skills. Relevant. Your goals should align with your career aspirations. For example, improving these skills will help me be more effective in my current role and prepare me for future opportunities. Time-bound. Set a deadline. For example, I will complete these courses within 2 months. By setting SMART goals, you can create a clear roadmap for acquiring essential digital skills to help you with your digital literacy and soft skills and any other item that you want to learn. It's going to enhance your career and your skill set. How to get started. Your journey to mastering your digital skills begins with exploration and commitment. Whether you're a student, a career changer, or looking to upskill your skill set with a new tool, there are amazing resources available. Make sure you connect with digitalfutureseducation.com. We have online courses that will help you learn new digital skills and soft skills, get some free resources, become part of our community, and start your journey mastering essential digital skills. It can be as simple as 3 simple steps. Identify where you want to start. What do you need for skills and resources to get there? Continue learning and get your career opportunity. As industries evolve in the digital age, proficiency in digital skills is really essential. It's no longer an option. It's something that you're going to need to develop and refine in all modern workplaces. Embrace the digital transformation and unlock your potential in the very competitive job market. Doors. Remember, digital skills open doors to diverse career opportunities, and this is across industries. Take the first step today. Connect with our communities at digitalfutureseducation.com and see the limitless opportunities that await for you. See you in the next video. Are you stuck in a current IT role or working in an IT role or technology field, but just not able to get the experience that you need to be able to transfer into a different level or a different role? Not able to explore the areas that you might be the most passionate about with IT and technology? This can be a common issue and often can be resolved with upskilling your career at a midpoint. It can also be related to upskilling and transitioning your career. Perhaps you're in a role just outside of IT, and now you're ready to step forward with additional technical skills or IT knowledge to help you have either a new role or a more progressive role. You're basically in a position where you need to upskill your current level of skills while working in the field in order to handle new types of software, hardware, or technical infrastructure. Basically, you're looking to transition from your current role into one where it either pays more to have more additional skills and additional opportunities, or it's career satisfaction in terms of handling new types of technologies. Often, opportunities in IT arise from job experiences or personal experiences in a particular topic that you're either interested about or will help progress advancement of your career. It can also happen while working on a current project in your current role that introduces you to some new topics that you may be excited about, and you may understand that this may be a way to transition you into a different role. It's important to understand that this desire to upskill or add additional skills to your current level of skill set comes from your desire to potentially transition to a new role, or to upgrade your skills to a level where you feel more comfortable utilizing specific hardware or technology in your current role. Either way, you're looking to evolve with your learning and your field and upskill. There's going to be a difference in an IT role in which certification or upskill they want to do next versus
a junior programmer and what certification or upskill they want to do next. And that's because an IT role potentially is more hands-on with support pieces. They might want to upskill maybe in more cybersecurity background knowledge around types of support they could provide. A junior programmer might want to know more advanced concepts of programming, an additional programming language, something to make their skills more diverse and provide new opportunities that way. It's important to value focus and do your research for your next step. Think about your personal skills and where they might be going to next. Staying ahead of technologies is crucial, not only while on the job, but also as you upscale and develop new skills for your career move. In most fields, there's often an area that you will move into that you will naturally be more attracted to based on your current role. For instance, if you work with data analytics may be a good path. If you're involved with system administration, you might consider cloud computing. If you're in IT support, cybersecurity could be your next step. Many of these topics are interchangeable, but some positions lend themselves more to upskilling than others. It's important to do that type of research before you take some next steps. It's okay to explore, but just be prepared for recognizing the gaps between your current place and where you want to go. Begin to map that path. While working on a certification, you'll also notice that other certifications may become attractive to you, either as a sequence like the CompTIA A+ certification, which is focused on IT support, and then you see the CompTIA Security Plus certification as a way of increasing cybersecurity and system security knowledge, or the Cisco series of certifications for network management, or the DevOps certifications that align with many of the US cloud certifications. Some of these certifications may provide more hands-on experiences than your current role, or even less. It's important to get as much hands-on experience as possible for the same reason you would within any other career advancement. More hands-on experience, more background knowledge, adds to that resume, adds to that development of your personal brand. Some of these projects can be great to show in your personal portfolio as you begin to develop that new portfolio for that next opportunity. Upskilling will provide hands-on experience in that new area that you're seeking to learn more about. And remember, you can upskill in any area that you're interested in. It's never too late to try something new. And if you're in an entry-level position or in the same position for much longer than you expect it to be, maybe it's time to start looking at some of these upskilling options to help create variety around your learning. And it may present new opportunities as soon as you start to look into these things. Entry-level positions often provide limitations to what you can learn. So upskilling presents an opportunity to add to your learning. Certifications, at-home projects, online courses can allow you to break free of the limitations of your current position, whether it's entry-level or you've been at it for a number of years. Or even if you're just looking to try something new. Upskilling is going to allow you to take the next step, to decide which area you want to focus on. So you're going to want to do some personal career research, decide what your next step in your career is going to be, do some self-assessment on what areas are the most practical with your current level of experience if you want to just take the next jump. You can also explore a wide variety of fields too. But be sure to do your research to understand which fields are going to be the most practical based on your current level of experience. That's going to reduce the jump that it's going to take to acquire the new experience. There's going to be a little bit of a difference between someone in an IT role in which certification they take next versus someone who's a junior programmer in which certification they're going to take next. It's important to understand that upskilling can lead to new job opportunities, increased pay, and increased level of roles within your organization. Upskilling can take many forms, including boot camps, certifications, online courses, and hands-on experience. Upskilling within a role is often essential, specifically within technology roles. Adaptive and constant learning within technology roles helps you stay ahead of the curve. It helps you with additional skills, training, access to resources, and the necessary upgrades to help your career advance over time. You need to have a growth mindset as a person who's going to upskill and transition within their career, unless you're completely satisfied with your current role. But I'm guessing you're not watching this video because you are. You are probably a lifelong learner willing to learn new technologies or adapt your understanding and learning about technology to learn new roles and new types of technologies. By developing new essential skills or acquiring a micro degree or an additional certification, you can refresh your resume, your cover letters, and your personal brand online. It's going to help keep you fresh to potential new employers, and your own workplace can understand that you are a valued member who looks to continue to upskill their technology skills. Many of the most high-demand certifications
and online trainings are aligned with skills that are also high in demand. These are areas like cybersecurity, DevOps, and cloud computing. And now we're beginning to see even more AI training and online courses to help support you with transitioning with those skills. You need to understand that adding these specific new skills are going to provide a new level of expertise and understanding to you and make you more valuable. Ultimately, maybe even increasing your job security, potentially your paycheck. If you're watching this video, you're obviously ready to grow. Specialized expertise, particularly in areas like cybersecurity, cloud computing, DevOps, data analytics, artificial intelligence, are all potential areas that you could consider acquiring specialized knowledge through additional resources. That's the concept of the upskill. You take your current level of skills and you bring them to a new level with specialized training. Are you stuck in a current IT role or working in an IT role or technology field, but just not able to get the experience that you need to be able to transfer into a different level or a different role? Not able to explore the areas that you might be the most passionate about with IT and technology? This can be a common issue and often can be resolved with upskilling your career at a midpoint. It can also be related to upskilling and transitioning your career while in a current career. Perhaps you're in a role just outside of IT and now you're ready to step forward with additional technical skills or IT knowledge to help you have either a new role or a more progressive role. You're basically in a position where you need to upskill your current level of skills while working in the field in order to handle new types of software, hardware, or technical infrastructure. Basically, you're looking to transition from your current role into one where it either pays more to have more additional skills and additional opportunities, or it's career satisfaction in terms of handling new types of technologies. Often, opportunities in IT arise from job experiences or personal experiences in a particular topic that you're either interested about or you will help progress advancement of your career. It can also happen while working on a current project in your current role. It introduces you to some new topics that you may be excited about, and you may understand that this may be a way to transition you into a different role. It's important to understand that this desire to upskill or add additional skills to your current level of skill set comes from your desire to potentially transition to a new role or to upgrade your skills to a level where you feel more comfortable utilizing specific hardware or technology in your current role. Either way, you're looking to evolve with your learning and your field and upskill to become a more valuable member. It can also be related to upskilling and transitioning your career while in a current career. Perhaps you're in a role just outside of IT, and now you're ready to step forward with additional technical skills or IT knowledge to help you have either a new role or a more progressive role. You're basically in a position where you need to upskill your current level of skills while working in the field in order to handle new types of software, hardware, or technical infrastructure. Basically, you're looking to transition from your current role into one where it either pays more to have more additional skills and additional opportunities, or it's career satisfaction in terms of handling new types of technologies. Often, opportunities in IT arise from job experiences or personal experiences in a particular topic that you're either interested about or you will help progress advancement of your career. It can also happen while working on a current project in your current role that introduces you to some new topics that you may be excited about, and you may understand that this may be a way to transition you into a different role. By developing new essential skills or acquiring a micro degree or an additional certification, you can refresh your resume, your cover letters, and your personal brand online. It's going to help keep you fresh to potential new employers, and your own workplace can understand that you are a valued member who looks to continue to upskill their technology skills. Many of the most high demand certifications and online trainings are aligned with skills that are also high in demand. These are areas like cybersecurity, DevOps, and cloud computing. And now we're beginning to see even more AI training and online courses to help support you with transitioning with those skills. You need to understand that adding these specific new skills are going to provide a new level of expertise and understanding to you and make you more valuable. Ultimately, maybe even increasing your job security, potentially your paycheck. If you're watching this video, you're obviously ready to grow. Specialized expertise, particularly in areas like cybersecurity,
cloud computing, DevOps, data analytics, artificial intelligence are all potential areas that you could consider acquiring specialized knowledge through additional resources. That's the concept of the upskill. You take your current level of skills and you bring them to a new level with specialized training. It's up to you to decide which area you want to focus on. So you're going to want to do some personal career research, decide what your next step in your career is going to be, do some self-assessment on what areas are the most practical with your current level of experience if you want to just take the next jump. You can also explore a wide variety of fields too. But be sure to do your research to understand which fields are going to be the most practical based on your current level of experience. That's going to reduce the jump that it's going to take to acquire the new experience. There's going to be a little bit of a difference between someone in an IT role in which certification they take next versus someone who's a junior programmer and which certification they're going to take next. A few focus areas to consider when upskilling include cloud computing with AWS, solutions architect, or cloud practitioner. These are great starting points. If you've completed the CompTIA A+ certification, you definitely want to be looking at the CompTIA Security Plus and seeing if it's of interest to you as a sequential next step. That's going to enhance the security knowledge in your background. If you've been working with data, Google's Data Analytics Professional certification is an option. It's going to improve your range of tools to work with and your understanding of the framing of data within infrastructure. For those eyeing DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes certifications, can make a lot of sense, and they're essential for mastering containerization and orchestration. When selecting certifications, don't hesitate to step outside of your comfort zone. If something doesn't feel right, be willing to pivot. Utilize learning platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, Digital Futures Education to help align the learning with your goals. In other videos, I've also discussed how to align your soft skills with your current goals, which is also an essential step. As you move forward in your career, finding time to acquire additional certifications and training can be challenging. Life gets in the way. At certain points, you're going to lose some motivation where you're going to need to refocus, but also use that to check your clarity for your next direction and keep your focus high. And that should support your motivation. Remember that no position that you're in should limit your future opportunities. Continue developing your skills, seek out mentors, and leverage flexible learning options to help you acquire the skills you need. Staying current with new technologies like AI, cloud computing, and networking is essential to remain relevant. The big elephant in the room is imposter syndrome. Many people feel inadequate when trying to advance into a new role where they may not have all the skills. But remember that growth often feels uncomfortable. Once you get a little bit of additional experience, you'll be able to be more comfortable day by day. Whether you're transitioning from another field or already working in IT, identify your next step by leveraging your transferable skills. Working in IT gives you a head start, but transitioning from a non-IT field also offers its unique advantages. Take your time to acquire the necessary education, training, and skills so you're able to update your resume regularly and learn to craft a story around your transition that you can utilize in your cover letter and in interviews. Being able to tell your story in a way that shows the natural transition you've made through these upskilling opportunities. Use LinkedIn for its career resources and networking opportunities. Stay updated on new job trends, review new postings, and look for freelance opportunities to help develop and showcase your skills. Consistently updating your resume and your skills every few months will be extremely helpful over the long term and help you be more aligned when you begin to start applying for new types of positions. Inclusively, upskilling is a major force in IT. Many people are learning new skills that help them transition from their current positions into new positions. IT roles are also becoming more blended, with technical components being added to previously non-technical roles. The world of AI, data analytics, cybersecurity, and networking is continuing to grow, so you need to keep your eye on the trends and what's going to happen next. As an upskiller, you have a unique opportunity to take a fresh perspective on your career. Upskilling is also a key to long-term success, and it's important to keep updating skills to your resume and your profile to stay competitive and relevant in a constantly changing IT and technology job market. In today's rapidly changing job market, it's not about having just the right skills, but it's about the process of mastering career transformation. This roadmap will help you outline the key parts of your journey from self-discovery to landing your dream job and demonstrate how the right guidance can elevate your career to new heights. Each phase is a stepping stone, and when combined, they lead to a successful career transition. First phase is goal setting and discovery. I'm going to help you
you better understand your interest and career goals. You're going to answer key questions. What am I passionate about, and how can I turn that into a career? What are my core strengths, and how can they help me with my career decisions? I provide personalized self-assessment tools to help uncover your personal passions and strengths by integrating self-reflection, exercises, and SMART goals to help you establish a clear direction tailored to your unique ambitions. Having undergone major career transitions myself, I understand the value of self-reflection in this process. You're going to rely heavily on self-reflection and self-assessment to help you pinpoint what your unique skills are. I'll share with you how my own self-reflection and my own work has helped me envision the next steps, not only in my own career, but also self-satisfaction with my goals. I want you to also experience the same satisfaction with identifying a career path based on your interests, your goals, current trends, aligned with your passions and skills, and to help you learn how you can gain the qualifications and growth opportunities in some of the most in-demand fields that are going to utilize your best strengths. We're going to utilize career path guides and take advantage of unique networking opportunities. I'm going to encourage you to explore the wide range of possibilities and opportunities in today's job market through a structured approach, and it's going to fit your needs and your talents in a very productive and efficient way. We're going to develop a strategy to assist you with networking with those in the field that you want to have your next opportunity in. We're going to learn how to use informational interviews to help gather data around what your next position can be, and do the work that's going to help you understand what your next potential position looks like. I've spent a lot of time researching roles in the IT industry and also researching the skills aligned with the roles in the IT and technology industry. I've also worked with numerous students and adults at helping identify what their best skills are to help them transition to their next step. I'm going to help you do the same. I'm going to teach you how to leverage industry contacts to help learn more about positions in the field that you seek and how to get your foot in the door through networking and mentoring. I'm going to use my own personal experience and pass it on to you to build connections, build a network so that you can find the next step that's going to be successful for you and encourage you to keep moving forward. The next step is incredibly important in this process. It's skill development, education, and upskilling. You're going to need to develop your skills and acquire the education or additional upskilling. Put yourself in the right place for your next opportunity. I'm going to help you identify not only what those skills that you need to acquire are, but also develop a future path to continue to grow. You're going to learn how to identify what skills you need to be competitive in the field that you choose, how to select the right courses, certifications, and competencies, prove your value in the workplace, ultimately put you in the best position for success. Together, we're going to design a learning plan that's going to address the gaps that you need to fill in order to get to the next step and even beyond. I'm going to help you stay accountable to your goals as you upskill through courses, identifying courses, taking courses, hands-on experiences, and they're going to fit your schedule as well. I've experienced the benefit of upskilling in my own career. I've identified and enrolled in specialized career opportunities that have provided me with specific skill sets, leadership opportunities, technical skill opportunities, areas to learn the next knowledge that I needed to advance. I've also understood the value of personal projects that I've taken on to help explore my own ability to be successful and display these abilities to others. I've learned how to navigate learning platforms and identify the gaps that I needed to fill. And it's a lifelong experience. We're constantly learning, looking to identify what we need to know next. I'm going to help you avoid the pitfalls, keep you positive, keep you upbeat through this experience on your own educational journey. One of the most important steps in this entire process is the process of personal branding and your online image. You're going to learn how to build a strong online image which reflects your skills and experiences in the career world, specifically targeting your next opportunity and how you want to present yourself to others. You're going to learn how to present yourself confidently and with the specific details that are going to allow others to see what an expert can be in your field. You're going to identify the branding opportunities and the social media and online platforms that are going to help you stand out to the right employers and the right contacts to build that network, not only for today, but for tomorrow as well. I'm going to help you develop a compelling brand that aligns with your career aspirations. You're going to refine your resume, your LinkedIn profile, and all the components of any digital portfolio that's going to help present you to the rest of the world. We'll be sure to showcase your skills in a way that's going to attract others to see the value you bring. We're going to work on crafting content for professional social networks to help enhance your visibility and your networking expertise. Personal branding is incredibly important to your career and essential, as now a majority of the way we identify with our career, our brand, and how we network is done through online platforms. I'll help provide the expertise, skills, and the essential understandings that are going to help you see what you need to do next in this area to help bring you to that next level. I'm going to help you design an online brand that's going to help open the next series of doors for you. We'll support in building your credibility and showcase your passions to the world. I know this because I've done it myself, and I want to help you. Final stage of all of this, even though none of it is really a final stage, as it's continual and a continual part of your professional learning and development, is opportunity and self-development. This is all about securing your job or career opportunity in your chosen path. It's getting the opportunity, identifying it, putting yourself in a position to be successful with it, starting it, and seeing it as the essential next step. This can be the job, this can be the interview, this can be the project or the business that you're looking to move forward with. We're going to work with you to help you learn how to apply for jobs more effectively and showcase your skills and your effectiveness, specifically during interviews and online branding. We're going to work with you to help you prepare for the interview, that job opportunity. It's going to take you to the next level. We're going to work with you to help you learn how to prepare yourself and showcase your skills effectively to others in that field and get you in the door with that opportunity. We're also going to work with you on better understanding how to negotiate within that initial opportunity of work and help to identify what types of opportunities are going to ensure more long-term growth and skill development to help keep your career on track. We're going to work with you on optimizing your resume, your job search experience, help you target the right opportunities. Process of preparing for interviews. We're going to help you conduct mock interviews and review ways that you can highlight specific skills and experiences that you need to showcase. And ultimately, we're going to help you align your vision for your career to the opportunity, ensuring that you are happy and successful doing the work it takes to get there. And it is up to you to choose the right partners in this process. We want you to be successful. We want you to aspire to do more. And we want to help you prepare for all of these next steps and work with you until it's completed. Help provide industry insights, career preparation, and the support you need. Each phase of this career transformation is part of the roadmap to your future. You're going to learn new digital skills, new career skills. You're going to have a research-rich understanding of the opportunities available to you, and you're going to be best able to target those opportunities based on a knowledge of what you need to do to get the new opportunity. That could be acquiring new skills, that could be developing your personal brand, that could be upskilling and looking at career areas that maybe you never even considered before. Personalized support is critical in this process to help you with every step of the way. And that's what I'm here for. Help support you on those steps get to the next level. Identify what you need to do next and how you're going to do it. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to make a transition or just looking to acquire new skills to transition to a new type of opportunity, I'm here to support you in that process. There'll always be challenges in this process, but with personalized support and a continual dedication to upskilling and learning what you need to do next, the future is wide open. And now is the time to invest in your future. So let's begin today.